Hey there, here's how to stop your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop from automatically connecting to your Wi-Fi network. You'll need your Wi-Fi password for this. If you don't know it, I'll show you how you can get that afterwards. But let's get started. Grab your cursor and head to the bottom right and click on the Wi-Fi or network icon. Just here you can see the name of my Wi-Fi network below the Wi-Fi icon. What we do next is click on the arrow just beside it. Here is Internet. It says Connected Secured. What we'll do here is disconnect. Connect automatically, leave that blank, and we'll go to Connect. As we can see, we are now connected. Let's close this window. Let's test this by going to Internet and turning off Wi-Fi. Now we'll re-enable Wi-Fi by going back here and turning on Wi-Fi. As you can see, it hasn't automatically connected. Let's click on the arrow again. And here we have Internet. We can click and connect. And that's how you stop your laptop from automatically connecting to a Wi-Fi network. I did mention you can get the password from here, so let's click on I. We'll scroll up to the top, and just here we have Wi-Fi network password, and we can click on Show.